So students, in the process of loading, what we have to take? We have to take a container in which we will have impure water. Impure water. Suppose this is the water that contains small particles of impurities, and these particles are so small that these are absolutely suspended, means they are moving all along the water because the size of the particle is small, so the gravity force of gravity is not too much effective, so it is difficult to purify the water. Then what we will have? We will have a piece of alum. This is the piece of alum. All of you have seen this alum, that is fitkari, and we will tie it with a thread and hang it in the water and rotate it all around the water so that some of the particles of alum will goes into the solution. Now what will happen? These particles of the alum will stick to the mud particles or impurities particle so that the size of particles become big and heavier. Here the particles are very much small, so they are suspended throughout the solution. Now the particle size become a little bit greater because alum particles stick to it and the solution become heavier. So what will happen? Now we will take out this alum. After rotating it throughout the solution, we will take the alum out. Particles becomes bigger in size. Now they are attracted towards the earth and will be settled down in the bottom. Isn't it? That loading has done its work. Now there will be decantation. Particles will settle down. Now in the next step, we will keep this container undisturbed for 2 to 3 hours. Then heavy particles will be settled down in the bottom and we will have clear solution here. Here we will have clear water. Clear water. And these are impurities. Isn't it? Now what we have to do? We have to pour this water in the other container very carefully. Now we will tilt the container and we'll pour the water into it, clear water. Or we can use the filter paper also. Isn't it? If some of the impurities will be come, then they will be stopped by the filter paper and we will get the pure water here.